learning HTML, the basics for general information for business owners. So if you're a business owner, I believe you need to know the general basic information about HTML. Why? Because if you don't update your website and say you're fed up with the hosting company or the website builder that you've used in the past, but now it's on you to get your website updated daily, then you need to know some basic HTML skills or code, I should say, for linking, for content. Do you bold keywords? Do you bold title tags? So you have to know the basics as a business owner. If you're already a web designer, you definitely should know the basics, if not be an expert at HTML already, because HTML is by far the easiest code or language you could learn. And if you're a web designer already, you should be getting into Java, Perl, XHTML, that kind of stuff, to further develop your design and coding skills. One other thing I want to touch base on is I got approximately 5 tips to help you keep your web design balanced. Our tip number 1 would be keep your web design simple. Keep it very basic for your users to interact with your website. Our tip number 2 is how to improve. After you have that basic layout, the basic design, how do you improve it? Now, me being a perfectionist, I want to improve even down to the last period, or down to the last link. Do all your links connect? So make sure that you just say, oh, I got a broken link, I'm just going to let it go, or I'm not going to fix it. No, you have to fix it. Our step 3 is always ask yourself, what will your visitors think? Or what will your visitors do to interact with the website? How are your visitors going from point A to point B to point C? Do you have a system in place in case they do order products or services that you offer, that it is as smooth as possible? It is user friendly. Keep up to date is our step 4. Daily, you have to be updating your information. I cannot stress this even more. You have to update every single day. I'm not saying come back a week or a month or a year, leaving your website there, not doing anything. No, you have to update it. Things are changing on the internet daily, so you have to keep up to date on daily. I don't know what your website is on, but if it's in that industry, you have to keep up to date on things that are going on in that industry. So keep up to date with different changes and new changes in your industry. Our tip 5 is view the webmaster guidelines. And even if you're just a business owner, or if you're a web designer, or a web programmer, you should definitely know the webmaster guidelines by now. If you don't, go to Google and check them out. But you have to know these webmaster guidelines. Until next time, you can visit us at trampmoney.com and just click the videos and articles link. Thank you for watching, and take care.